few of the parts of this song. It's a really cool, amazing song from T-Rex, originally called Tyrannosaurus Rex. But it was such a long name that his manager would put T-Rex on the calendar, and it just kept. So you can play these a few different ways, and you can integrate it into the song however you want. It's a cover. It was already done amazing. I love this version. I've heard it probably 10,000 times. And this is done in standard tuning. You've got your high strings, your B and your E. You could strum them downward or up, you could pluck them. I like hitting it up because I think that sound of the high E kind of dominates the sound. And then you put your finger on the 2nd fret of the A string. It's a comping technique, boogie woogie or comping. And then either with your ring finger or your pinky, you can mute the low E a little bit by putting the tip of your finger against it. And then you could play this other part, either in this position or I go to the E. And you're going to play mainly the E and a bit of the A on the verse. And when you're strumming this part, I strum the middle strings followed by the higher strings. And then the chorus, I just do the G and the A. Get it on, bang a gong, get it on. G, A, G. Get it on, bang a gong, get it on. Or however you want to follow it. There's lots of fun vocal parts in this too. Aspiratings and sighs. Oh, ooh, ah. So add those where you want. Make it feel like it's your version of it. You'll also get more out of palm muting it. So if you're just playing, it's kind of messy, so kind of feel the rhythm of it. Listen to it a few times, and then just mute it so it feels right for you. And that's the gist of the song. There's a lot of other parts to it, but with those parts, you enjoy this song. And it's a great song to enjoy and play by T-Rex. Oh yeah.